Impress your friends with one of our best-selling products, the MK7 Catback exhaust. Fitting both the MK7 and 7.5, our industry-leading Catback is designed for even the most die-hard MK7 enthusiasts. Our system uses a dual-valve exhaust, one for each side, so you can drastically change the volume of your GTI with the push of a button. The included remote has two options, on and off. That makes for a quick change between both options. When closed, you'll meet stock-like sound levels. When open, enjoy a deep, aggressive exhaust note that meets your GTI's full potential. Now, let's talk performance. You'll of course see gains in both horsepower and torque due to much better airflow and less back pressure. The ARM MK7 Catback comes with both the front and rear mid-pipe sections to reach the muffler. Now, if you're looking for a complete turbo back system, you can always add our MK7 downpipe to your order as well. And if you're a MK7.5 owner, our split rear section is adjustable to fit your model. This is the perfect exhaust solution for enthusiasts looking to control the volume of their GTI and upgrade performance. Head on over to armmotorsports.com to complete your order today.